Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making Siri show captions on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Captions can be helpful if you struggle to hear what Siri says. Tap the digital crown to open the App menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Siri. Scroll down the Siri settings and tap Siri Responses. In Siri Responses, tap the toggle to the right of Always Show Siri Captions. When the toggle is green, Siri Captions are turned on, and when grey, the setting is disabled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.